Community development managers ensure the efficient coordination of integrated and transformative social development programs. This position requires extensive experience and knowledge of community development and the legislative structures that support and regulate it. The managers ensure that the programs that they manage focus on the effective empowerment of people within the targeted communities. Often, other stakeholders such as corporates or sponsors are involved in these programs. As they often represent the organization at conventions, seminars, and conferences, excellent communication skills are required. These managers need extensive business acumen to run the financial side of the organization. Community development managers monitor and evaluate the performance of employees and volunteers that are involved in carrying out the various programs and services. They also appraise the programs and services offered to ensure that these are of high standard and quality. They check that resources are being used effectively. The managers liaise with other organizations, sponsors, and service providers to establish and maintain working relationships with them. They discuss and implement areas of program and service collaboration with these stakeholders. The Community Development Manager undertakes research and analysis to determine the community needs and how best to implement program directions and goals. The managers also establish and supervise the administrative procedures required to meet the standards set by the Board of Directors. The managers are involved with the development of organizational plans, strategies, and programs. They participate in the creation of the organization's policies regarding issues such as program requirements, benefits, and participant eligibility. Depending on the structure of the organization, the Community Development Manager may direct the activities of the program heads as well as the professional and technical staff members and volunteers. They may have the task of creating the content for staff training programs for new employees and volunteers. The managers control the budgets for programs and services as well as for operational costs. They prepare the organization's financial documents and financial reports for submission to the Board of Directors and sponsors. While this is an office-based occupation, there is usually extensive traveling involved to attend meetings and conferences. They travel to meet government representatives and funders to discuss policies and funding. These managers also spend time in the community, monitoring the organization's programs and ensuring goals are met. While it is possible to enter and work in this field with a bachelor's degree, it is usually advantageous to complete a postgraduate qualification. Depending on the organization's focus, a specialization in social work, psychology, education, law, community work, public health, or business administration is usually required. Community development managers need extensive experience as well as leadership qualities. An in-depth understanding of the organization, its internal policies, as well as the community it serves is vital. Progression may involve advancing to executive directors' posts within the organization or a lateral move at a larger, more prestigious one.